TraxNYC.com. Review item number 25649. These are the sterling silver TraxNYC rings. Amazing quality diamonds. This ring is about 500 bucks on the website. You can lay it away for under $50. Make payments over 2 years. Once it's paid off, we're going to manufacture this for you. One of our customers wanted his ring dipped in yellow gold. That's what we did. So if you're looking to get a silver piece dipped in yellow gold, we can definitely make that happen. Shop with confidence, 15 years in the business. I have personal jewelers standing by. Give them a call for concierge level service, 212-391-3832. Even though it's silver, every stone is set to perfection. Everything comes with an appraisal and a warranty. Shop with confidence, FedEx insured, shipping directly to your door, signature is required. Nothing's gonna get lost or stolen. All these rings are going out to customers just like you watching these videos. It's a bestseller. For this price, you cannot go wrong. Order it today, any color, any size.